How to change your Amazon password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can change your Amazon account's password, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to change your Amazon account's password, what you have to do is just simply go ahead and then open up the Amazon shopping application. And once you launch the Amazon shopping app, you'll basically see this kind of interface. And then what you have to do is tap on the profile icon from the bottom, and then you want to go to the option called your account. And once you go to your account, over here you'll find another option called login and security. So just tap on login and security, and as you do that, again you'll be able to see these options where you need to tap on the edit button right next to the password button over here. Once you tap on the edit button next to the password box, you can simply enter your current password and enter your new password if you want to change it, and then tap on the save changes button. If you do not remember your password, you can also simply try to reset it by going to the login screen and then simply resetting your password in that way. And that's basically how you can change your Amazon password. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.